In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you cannot see other computers on your network on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the start menu. Just go on the start button one time, type in control panel. Best match, check back with control panel listed right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by to large icons and then select Network and Sharing Center. Select where it says Advanced Sharing Settings or Change Advanced Sharing Settings on the left side here. You want to turn on Network Discovery for both guest or public, as well as file and printer sharing if that's what you are attempting to do. So if you have a printer perhaps you're trying to share, you want to go turn that on. Generally speaking, then you also could turn on the network discovery here as well. And if you expand the private section as well, again, network discovery as well as file and printer sharing, you can turn both of those on too. And then once you're done, you want to go select the Save Changes button right here. And there you go. Simple as that. Close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer just for good measure, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.